Hi there, fellow users. My name is Vincent Sabiti Asser, and today I am thrilled to guide you through this innovative tool that brings AI right to your fingertips. The MyAi web extension seamlessly integrates AI into your browser, allowing you to access AI without the hassle of opening separate tabs or websites. MyAi embeds AI directly into each and every tab you open. This is my Gmail. This is GP. This is Google. After installation, you will notice the MyAi floating button. The best part, you can drag and drop it anywhere you want on the screen, ensuring that it never gets in the way of your work. Personally, I find the bottom left corner to be the most ideal position. This button serves as an entry point into MyAi. By double-clicking it, you will open up the MyAi web extension. Now let me draw your attention to something really exciting. On sign up, I'm willing to offer you 20 free asks. To help you keep track of your asks, you'll find a counter right here. Every time you submit a question, your counter will naturally decrease by 1. Remember, for the best results, ask MyAi questions using natural language, just like you were talking to a fellow human being. Now pay close attention here. 3 things are about to happen. Firstly, you'll receive a quick answer in this area. Secondly, the counter will decrease by 1. And lastly, you'll receive multiple perspectives to your query around here. Let's give it a shot. This is your quick answer, and notice how the counter was decreased by 1, and momentarily you will receive multiple perspectives to your questions. You click on the fun facts. You can click on explain to you like a 6-year-old. Analogies, tweets, oh god, mnemonics. Let's give one a go. Here we go. We can try fun facts. Quantum physics is responsible for some of the most interesting and bizarre phenomena in the universe. For example, quantum entanglement is a phenomenon in which particles become linked together so that they can share information simultaneously, regardless of how far apart they are. And there you have it, folks. That concludes our tour of the MyAi web extension. If you have any suggestions on how we can improve MyAi further, please don't hesitate to drop a line in the chat below. Thank you once again for taking the time to explore MyAi with me. Until next time.